welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right guys, today I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm gonna show you guys, this is a 8 years old compost pile. Yes, it was high, but then it break itself down. So now the pile look pretty low, but down deep underneath, I'm sure is something to behold. So all I'm gonna do today guys, I'm gonna show you guys that the most beautiful compost you could ever find is between the bushes, is between the trees. So let me just give you a little peek of what's underneath here. You see what's underneath here guys? Look what's underneath here. You see this? If you plant anything in this kind of soil, it will create magic. It will be magic. All right? So yes, I will be taking up a few because I have some seed to start sowing pretty soon. So this is the best compost you could ever use or ever find. And all this come from trees and leaves. But look at it. It's naturally break down. And this is what it's turned into. All right? It's a mixture of pine leaf, pine tree body, like the limbs. It's also a mixture of a few oak leaf, but the most is pine needle. So this is what you call pine needle, oak leaf. This is a combination, but this is one of the richest compost you could ever find, and this is organic. This is organic. You see it for yourself. This is organic. You wouldn't get it nowhere else unless you get out there and you do what you got to do. To me, fertilizer these days is like, I don't know what to say, but at the end of the day, not knocking anyone, because it's not everyone have access to this kind of stuff where trees break down for itself, and trees that you could get the compost to use in your garden. So this is a whole pile of 8 years old compost that break down right here. And this is what I'm telling you guys about. Trees feed themselves. This is what we call trees feed themselves. Trees drop their limbs, and their limbs decay. They drop their leaf, and their leaf decay. And then guess what? You have a beautiful 100% organic compost for your garden. No, this is what I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna be using this to set some cabbage seed very soon. Collard greens, broccoli. This is what I'm gonna be doing pretty soon. So now I'm getting the soil together, prepare and ready. So when you have this kind of stuff here, you have $1 million. This is riches right here. Riches. You have access to this, it's riches. You might not understand when I say riches what I mean. I'm not talking about money riches. I'm talking about actually riches right here. All right.